All right, people. Know I've been gone for a long time. Um, been going through some things. Of course, you know that. Before I really get into the video, I want to shout out my guy Mike. Um, Good friend. Know if you guys know about me actually meeting Mike. Met a subscriber. So that was cool. I met him. Shout out to Mike. He the one who told me to get back to this. Just going through a lot, y'all. Don't expect you guys to understand it. I wanted to come back with something new. As you guys know, Omega is out. Kind of like the name. I actually been utilizing this for a couple of days. They got a couple of things out too. They got a couple of things that go right alongside with the original. Looking nice. No problems. No problems. Let me see. I didn't really go through problems with 21 either. I think it was only 19 that I went through some problems with. I'm glad everybody stopped by. Let me get back to it. Folks, I haven't done this. Like I said, I'm not going to turn this into a game channel or anything like this. I do still want to keep covering this type of content. I know a lot of people like it. I personally like it. It personally does well for me. But still trying to figure some things out and sort some things out. Now, I do have one complaint. I do have one complaint with the community. Things aren't really changing. Things are really kind of, stale. A lot of people are gone and things like that. So it's like almost like the fire's burning out. I haven't really, I don't know who's the go-to guy. And where is Funster? Can somebody, if anybody knows where Funster is at, please let me know where Funster's at. I really, I miss Funster. I want to see what he got going on out here. Now, I'm not going to take too many ticks. There's a lot of things going on as far as the platform that I didn't know. I'm starting to learn it now. I came back and I said, I don't think let me see. Hold on. I hadn't been on here. I did upload a game. Hey, support my gaming videos too, people, if you will. It doesn't take nothing but a like. But let me see how long. Let me see. When did I put that out? I think the last thing I put out was the Beast joint. Oh, November 2023. What year? Oh, okay. I hadn't put nothing out since November. My mother's birthday, the 4th. Just been in and out, people. You know how that can go. Life been lifing. I'm gonna try to make a comeback. Try to get my mind right and get back into it. But like I said, things are getting kind of stale, man. I'm seeing the same backgrounds. There's not as much going on out there as when I first started this. So things are most definitely not working. I don't want to long-wind you. Now, with 21, there's a lot of automatic things happening. So whenever you guys get to a 21 setup or any setup, please give it a few ticks to let it do what it do. I'm really kind of amazed by this because there's absolutely no problems. Still the version, you guys probably seen this version, but they made it for this. I got a couple of more things for you guys. What is it? Wonderbox. I think Wonderbox got one. Red Wizard, the official. Of course, you could get the official. And I'm still looking around. That's what I'm saying. Where's Funster? If anybody knows where Funster at, please let me know. With all the rules and things going on, I'm just testing the waters right now, people. I will place a video. If you guys don't know how to navigate through things like this, I will place a similar video in the top right corner. Let me know how you guys like this one. Like I said, I really didn't want to take too much time with this. I don't even know, if it'll pass the test. But if it does, you should be seeing it now. I want to thank everybody that has supported me and that has stayed on the channel and didn't leave. Any one of you guys that really know what's going on, you know what's going on. They're not feeling it, okay? So, it's really kind of, taboo to even be doing this, especially this one. So shout out to everybody. Let me know how you guys like this one. If you get a chance, what was I going to say? It was something I was going to say, but I forgot. Maybe the next video. If any of you guys got a question, I do have time to answer questions and things like that. If you guys email me, I will get back to you. I actually have time now, so let me know. Just know, time is money. Okay, let's just keep that in the air. Like always, I always say this, people. It's good to be good and it's bad to be bad. Love and peace for all people. Hopefully everybody is out there and doing well. I'm going to see you guys on the next one, y'all. Peace. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not sure if you guys remember when I put this video out. I actually got the video. I actually showed you guys how to get the video. I actually came on it today and wanted to just see what they had in store. Okay, let's see what they got. They got a lot of things here, especially dealing with Omega. As you can see, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Omega joints, and they got 2024 joints. Let's see what they got in there. Okay. Nexus. What is that? Omega Beta 2. Okay. Got some Nexus joints in here. Nothing, I kind of would stick with the Omegas. Let's see how it go. Let me see. 64. Let's see. Let's see how it go. But I actually put this out before, so I will leave a link in the description. Not in the description. I never leave links in the description. I do got a couple of links in the description, but I will leave a video in one of the corners on how you guys can get this. I did it before. I'm really not gonna do it again. Doesn't make any sense. It's nothing hard with doing it again. I just don't like to, do the same thing over and over. Okay, it's complete. Let's see. Let's just see. We here, right? This is what y'all want. I know y'all not getting none of this stuff nowhere. Let me know who you guys been watching too in the comments below. Let me know if they, if they got that umph. If they've been coming with that, ice cold. Or they've been coming with that fire. Have they been coming with it? Let me know, because I want to subscribe to them. If they've been coming with it, I want to subscribe to them. I miss everybody that's gone too, y'all. I do. But okay, it did great. I'm just gonna press done. Let me see now. That was one, right? Let's see if I could get another one. What's that, beta 1? Oh, they did have a beta 2, right? Let me see. Let me see if it say. Let me see if you could do them side by side. Because if it says to do an update, that means you can't have it side by side. But if it don't say update, that means you could do them side by side. I mean, just in case, just until, things get official. Let's see. Not trying to take too many ticks. Keita, you don't got to be that quiet in the background like that. like I'm doing something for real. You extra quiet. You're not even opening your mouth. You just breathing through your nostrils. Nah. All right, let's see. I don't know. Like I said, I've been on that one thing. Download complete. Let's see. We're gonna see right now. Oh no, that means you can install them side by side. Okay. So I got the 2 and 3. Jordan. But it's Kobe now, but the 2-4. I don't know. Like I said, I didn't see any problem with Omega. I kind of like the name. Leia, Matrix. No. What we went to? No. I forgot. What the hell? We went from Leia to Matrix to Nexus. I ain't really like the Nexus name to Omega. I think I'm feeling Omega. Time to come back. Let's see what I can find out here. And I'm going to give it to you. Okay, I mean, everybody going to have the same thing anyway. Okay, it's done. So you can do them side by side and things like that. Like I said, I will leave the video on how to get the store. Let me know how you guys like this one. If you guys get a chance, like, share, and subscribe, but most of all, comment. Please don't forget to hit the notification bells. As always, I'm hoping you guys are having a blessed, peaceful, and a productive day. Love and peace for all. Never forget, it is good to be good, and it is bad to be bad. I'm going to see you guys on the next one, y'all. Peace.